In this video, I will be explaining how to add and save property and contact information to a specific property. Once logged in, you can click on the Deeds Property tab at the top of your page to start your search. Please remember, there are help hints available that are page specific. If you do not want these hints to display, you can switch them off by clicking on the Hide Help button at the top right corner of the page. After performing a property search, as was explained in the second tutorial video, Property Search Assistant, you can now click on the street name in your search results. You are now directed to the Deeds Information page. Just above the map, you will see 4 tabs. The tab highlighted in green is the tab that is open. By default, the Map tab will always display first. The next tab is the Custom Data tab. Here you can customize your information regarding the selected property, for instance, adding the amount of bedrooms, bathrooms and garages for the specific property. You can click on the check boxes to indicate if the property has certain features, for example, a pantry or a pool. The more information captured, the better for future reference. Once you have added all your notes, click on the Save button at the top left-hand corner of the page and it will save the information. Only users within your account have access to this information. You have now successfully saved information on a property. The next tab is Owner Info History and consists out of all transfers we have on record for this property. We start with all transfers for the current property. Transfers are listed in descending registration dates order. This means that the last transfer will be listed first. Clicking on the first Load button will load and display the last transfer information, listing all the buyers and sellers involved in the current transfer. So, it is possible to view previous buyers and sellers on the property by clicking on the next transfer entry if there is one. Now, click on View Buyer or View Seller to view the buyer or seller record. All information regarding the buyer or seller will now be displayed below. You can now add additional information like contact numbers, email addresses, place of work, and even the birthdays of your buyer or seller. You will also receive a reminder on the day of that person's birthday. The information captured, like cell number and email addresses, will make it possible to correspond with this contact in future. Only users within your account have access to this information. You have now successfully added information to a contact. It will also be possible to view this contact in the Contact Saved Buyers and Sellers form. When viewing the contact, the next tab is Correspondence. You will only be able to access this tab if you have saved the contact. The Correspondence tab allows you to record all correspondence with the contacts. To add a new entry, click on the New button, select the Agent, User, complete the date, action, and note fields, and click on Save to save the entry. On the left side, below the New button, a list of previously saved entries will be displayed. Clicking on the link will load it. To confirm, all information captured on either the property or the contact is for you only. Only users within your account have access to this information. We do not use this information in any way or shape. Thank you for taking the time to view this tutorial.